Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, push the notification bell on so you never miss any update I post out here. Yes! For today I have a video for you about how to keep your hair and your scalp moisturized in an easy, effective way. And many of you have asked me this question, and I've been asked this question many times in the hair salon, like, Vivian, how can I have my hair always shiny and perfect, and also it helps against hair loss. So the best way to use any mask, any conditioner you have out there. Me personally, I like the keratin mask. I prefer that. It keeps my hair nice and shine, and especially my scalp moisturized. But any conditioner, any mask will do. The only way how to use it, the perfect way, is you wash your hair, towel dry it, and then you apply your keratin or the mask you have or any conditioner you have, apply it into the hair, and then bring a wet hot towel. You can wet it, heat it up in the microwave for 30 seconds, and then rub it around your head with all your hair. If you have long hair, make sure you tuck it in and then put the towel around it. Leave it there for like 30 minutes. It will make the hair, that's the effect, it will keep the keratin or the mask or the conditioner you're using into the hair, on your skin, so it go into it, so it's gonna take it better in than just leaving it in for a few minutes. So what you do, heat it up, put it around, and just leave it there for half an hour. You can do that once a week. That's my advice for natural, non-colored hair. But if you have colored, bleached, dry hair, it's better to do twice a week. So twice a week, half an hour, leave it in, and then wash it out, blow dry it, whatever you want to do after that. But this is the best way to have it in the hair, to have the effect of the mask you're using or the conditioner to protect your skin and your hair and moisturize it. Yes! So I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumb up. And if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, push the notification bell on. It motivates me to do more and more video. For now, I would say this is me, Vivian. Till next video. Bye bye. Ciao.